And now it's time for a brand new product, multiplications for you. Take multiplication, mix them round, discover something new. Take 6 like a dice, and 7, say to the all, stir them round, what have you found? It's 42, toodaloo! Take 8 as ALPHABLOCK times 6. Feeling so great, stir them round, what have we found?
It's 48! Activate!
Let's take 6 and then times 9, then mix them. No pits. Stir them round, what have we found? 54 with games or grids. Take a lucky 7 and 8 in the mix. It's around, what have you found?
It's 56! Ha! Let's get lucky with 7!
And 9 is going with the flow. Stir them round, what have we found? It's 63, making rainbows. If we take some 8
and times with it 9,
that'll do. And stir them round, what have we found?
It's 72! Wow, 72 is big!
You've met some brand new numbers. We've put on quite a show. Now it's your turn to multiply. Go on, give it a go!
Thanks for watching, everybody. When you want more learning or more fun, subscribe to the Gavin Brown Productions official channel for new videos every day. You can watch shows like Numberblocks, Colorblocks, Gavin Brown, and so much more. Why not subscribe now to get more updates? That's all the time I've got. This is one signing off. Goodbye.